Hi guys, welcome back to Eduate channel. NEET 2020 rank list is out. So everybody will be checking for the MBBS seats, the PDS seats, the other agriculture seats and all. So you will be in a hurry to find your career. So in this video, we will be mainly talking about the expected cutoff for the All India quota veterinary 15% seats in NEET 2020. If you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button and also the bell button. So introduction, the counseling for admission to BVSC INH, that is the veterinary course, under 15% all India quota seats will be conducted by the VCI in the NEET platform and its decision will be final. So the seats will be allotted to the candidates as per the rank, the mark, the difficulty of the examination, the choice, availability, reservation policy, etc. So all India quota is having 15% seat from the all veterinary colleges in India except JK. So for more details of the counseling and all, for the central counseling, you can visit on aapv.bci.nic.in. Actually, through NEET, the counseling is done. And for Kerala veterinary updates, you can go to these two sites where more information will be given. The last rank details all will be given. So this time, since the exam was very easy and many people have scored above 650, so the expected cutoff will be increasing. So in general category, if you need to get the all India 15% veterinary seats, you should have to score 572 marks plus. That is, if you are a general category, you should have to score 572 above. And for OBC, it will be not much below 572. That is, it will be 563 plus. That is, it can range because only very less number of seats is present for OBC. That is only in Mizoram. That is 3 seats. So this can change actually, but nearly it will be 560 at all. So for SC and ST this time you should have to score more marks. That is, you should have to score. So you should have to score around 480 plus mark, and for ST it is 470. It can vary. Like actually, whenever the rank list is coming, so nearly 1 lakh rank will be allotted for the veterinary. That is for ST in 1,10,000 category. If the ST student is coming in the 1,10,000 category, he'll be getting the veterinary seats. But if no ST students is coming in the first 50,000 or first 1 lakh, means the rank may vary and this range may vary. So for ST students, it's actually near to 470, 450, etc. And for SC students, it's 460, 480, etc. So this will be the expected cutoff. That is for general to get in the All India 15% veterinary quota seats, you should have to score 34,000. That is, your rank should be below 34,000, and for OBC, you should be below around 35,000. That is, it is not exactly the 35,000 or 34,000. This is the tentative rank. That is, if you are scoring 30,000, 34,200 means sometimes you can get. So this will be the range. Below 34,000 means near to the 34,000. Sometimes it can range to 36,000. So for the OBC, it's near to the general caste also. And SC, it will be 1,05,000. Near to the rank 1,05,000. And for ST, it will be 1,10,000. So the seat distribution is in India, there are 47 government veterinary colleges and total government seats under 15% all India quota is 525. This is the latest update as per the information bulletin in the AAPVT website for the year 2019. So there are reservations for many seats. So this is the reservation category. That is, for general caste there will be 387 seats, and for general caste physically handicapped 90, OBC 3, OBC physically handicapped 0 seats, ST will be 75, SCPH will be 5, ST 36, STPH will be 2. So altogether it's getting into 525. So the documents to be submitted at the time of counseling and allotment is NEET admit card, NEET rank letter, class 10, class 12, character certificate, provisional certificate, color photograph, postcard size. So you have to carry all those things. So the registration fees for the counseling is, fees registration will be 1,000 rupees for the general caste and it will be nearly half, that is 500 rupees for the OBC, SC and ST. So moving to the Kerala All India quota seats, that is, there are 2 veterinary colleges in Kerala under the Kerala Veterinary and Animal Science University. So you can avail the seats, all India quota seats in Kerala. You can also give the application during the counseling, NEET counseling, and also through the KEAM counseling. So in Kovas Mannuthi, that is the first veterinary college in Kerala, in Thrissur, there will be 15 seats for all India quota. And in Kovas Pukod, that is Wayanad district, it will be 12 seats. If not filled through all India quota counseling, that is, if these seats are not filled through the all India quota, seats are vacant means the CEE Kerala controller of examination of the entrance can fill the seats via KEAM. So Kovas Mannuthi, Thrissur will be the code is TCV in the NEET and fees will be 19,800 and the seats are 80. So this is the total seats, not Kerala seats, the total seats in Mannuthi Thrissur. So in Kovas Pukod, sorry for the Thrissur, it's actually in the Wayanad. Welcome back, it's Kovas Pukod Wayanad. The code is WYV in All India Counseling. The fees is 19,800. Since they are belonging to the same university, the seats are 80. So this is the Kerala last rank details in 2019. So this has to do nothing with this 2020 because the score range is very much high. So this is the last rank details for the, this is the Pukod College, this is the Mannuthi College. So this was the VCI NEET cutoff rank in 2017 and VCI NEET cutoff in 2018. So this also has nothing to do with this 2020 because the examination was easy and many people have scored above 650 and above 600. So if you are having a small mark gap means you will be having a very, for 6 marks, that is actually for the 6 marks you will be having 10,000 rank difference. So VCI counseling, there will be 3 rounds. In first round, we have to pay the registration fees. After completion of 3 rounds, if the seat is available means the mop-up round will be there. Always keep a hope in the mop-up. So things to remember, this can vary according to the seat distribution, the vacancy, the reservation category, the exam difficulty and all. So for more updates, always visit the previous rank list and last rank details of 2019. If you are qualified in NEET 2020, you can go for self-financed veterinary seats in VCI recognized institution in India. Many colleges providing self-finance, that is management seat for veterinary study. Always attempt VCA counseling if you aren't belonging to those score range mentioned in the previous slide. Keep a hope in the counseling. Be patient at the time of counseling. Always visit the counseling websites. So what to do next? You can ask your parents, seniors, teachers, elders for the advice. What to do? Either you can do for a repeat for 2021 NEET and score a good mark and score a good seat and get a good seat in a different medical college or veterinary college of whatever you wish. Or join the plan B. Sometimes plan B will be working in case of many people. Always attend the counseling and mop-up counseling. Sometimes mop-up counseling can change your life. There are many stories in which the mop-up counseling gave seats for the students who was not in the rank list, not even in the very near rank list. So keep a hope in the mop-up. So sometimes the plan B will be a very hit for your life. Be patient and don't be nervous during the counseling. Okay. Thank you. For more updates, you can give the comment section.